Could artificial intelligence be the secret sauce to supercharge India's economy? Today, we delve into how generative AI could potentially contribute a staggering $1.2 to $1.5 trillion to India's gross domestic product by the fiscal year 30. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, involves machines that can create content from scratch. This could be anything from a piece of music to a block of text, or even a full-blown 3D model. It's an exciting field, one that could revolutionize industries across the board, from entertainment and media to manufacturing and beyond. India, with its rapidly growing tech sector and massive young workforce, is uniquely positioned to leverage this technology. Here's how. Firstly, generative AI can drastically increase productivity. Machines that can generate content can work around the clock without breaks, and they don't make errors due to fatigue or distraction. This could lead to an explosion in output across many sectors, driving growth and adding significant value to India's economy. Secondly, generative AI can spur innovation. By generating new ideas and concepts, AI can help businesses and individuals alike to think outside the box and come up with solutions to problems that might not have been considered before. This could lead to the creation of new products, services, and even entire industries, further contributing to India's GDP. Thirdly, generative AI can democratize creativity. By making it possible for anyone to generate high-quality content, regardless of their skill level or resources, AI could help to level the playing field and foster a more diverse and inclusive economy. Finally, the development and implementation of generative AI could create jobs. As companies invest in this technology, they'll need people to develop, maintain, and oversee these systems. This could lead to the creation of new, high-paying jobs, further boosting India's economy. So, to sum it all up, the potential of generative AI to boost India's GDP is incredible. By increasing productivity, spurring innovation, democratizing creativity, and creating jobs, this technology could contribute a staggering $1.2 to $1.5 trillion to India's economy by the fiscal year 30. It's an exciting prospect, one that could help to shape India's future and establish it as a global leader in the tech industry.